Churachandpur Jilada leba CSO mayamna poppy cultivation athingba kanna chatharakpa maram oiraga aduga law enforcement na athingba paikhatpana Churachandpur Jilalam arapada poppy thaba mafam kayarom thukai bire Henglep subdivision Sangaikot subdivision da mafam tungan bada ngarang phawbada acres kayarom poppy thaba thukai ba thabak paikhatle Poppy cultivation paikhatpa kangbu se hekta phagatpa ngamdabanina police station tungan bada FIR thagat panatana atei upai leite Good governance ginamita Churachandpur Jila gi Deputy Commissioner Dharun Kumar na mini secretariat da workshop district level officer mayam mifam pangthukpada public mayam gi thabak paikhatpada thabak kari oirasu pending thambi daba athubana loibi na ba appeal su tawe pending amata yaudana thabak paikhat kadabani su haire Churachandpur ZEO gi makhada thokriba irang gi maramda Churachandpur Jila da internally displaced person dagi school gi angang class 11 dagi class 12 phawba mioi chamaga kunmapan ga class 9 ga class 10 chama romadu autonomous district council schools mayam ga government school da admission pikre haire aduga students 3137 the school uniform kungup mayam su pire haire irang thupadigi Churachandpur Jila da su police Assam Rifles ga CAPF mayam na leptana mafam tungan bada operation paikhatli nongmei ga maru IED ga tungan ba khutlai phagat pangamle 2024 Christmas nimit Churachandpur DC Dharun Kumar na mafam tungan banda leba relief center na the Christmas gift oina item tungan ba pikhi hauzik Churachandpur Jila da relief center 90 lei aduga IDP mioi 15825 leiri district administration na relief materials tha khuding leptana pikhi poppy ga drugs ki maramda Churachandpur CSO mayam na athingba haidukpagi mari lenaba Kuki Christian Leaders Forum ga Kuki Chief Association na sinba mifam phambada poppy thaba lepnaba alternative project tungan ba paikhatnaba hainaki Masing matungin na village authority khudingda charge mayam nasu loop anin appeal letter piraga loina na handak January thasina masi hena chawba consultation amuka pangthukani su haire Churachandpur Jila da leba Rayawan College na handak Ministry of Higher Education gi order matungin na project approval board na Pradhan Mantri Uchchata Shiksha Abhiyan PM USHA gi makhadak college chawkhatnaba gi damak grant pirak ba adu fanglagani masi grant na se college development gi damak sizinagani su haire Chief Electoral Officer Manipur na final electoral roll pithuk pa matungin na Churachandpur Jila da total voters 1,85,570 lay Nupagi voters 88,756 ga Nupigi voters 96,807 ga third gender voter tarit lay 2025 tahi lakpada chingilamda zooming cultivation hauragani upanbi mayam kakpada high tension electric wire marakta hekta tathalle masigi maramda Churachandpur ga Phezor Jila miyambu checksel thorang lo number department na appeal su tawi aduga masigi maramda area khudingi electric in charge phone number phaupi tuwi Zooming cultivation horakpada chahi atei dasu masigumba thodok se marakta thokrabani aduga electric huranba kangbu thigat pathabak department na area coding da kanna check tawnaki handak January tang taruk numit ta Churachandpur Medical College annual day ga inaugural day thoram CMC da pangthoi masigi numit ta Professor Gangmei Angam nodal officer displaced medical student na chief guest oina saruk yaubire January tang tarita His Excellency Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala Churachandpur khungchatta Churachandpur Government College campus da saba IT center noba sangakhre nimit asida college student mayam ga interaction thoram su pangthoi mini secretariat hall DC office da Churachandpur Jila gi civil society luchingba mayam ga su meeting pangthoi January tang nipan na su Churachandpur Police NAB ga 37 AR na Sangaikot area da poppy thaba lam acre mari rom thukai bire mi kana su phagat pangamdre adubu FIR tawki State Health Society Manipur order matung na Phezor Jila dagi mi wayani Churachandpur District Hospital na Kalyakap Award phangba yabra haina inspection chatki hospital gi phibam thabak paikhat pa matunga hospital cleanliness manunga mapan de inspect tawraga assessment gi matungda award se phangadamani haire Churachandpur District Hospital na Lakshya Award su phangrabani aduga National Quality Assurance Standard Award su phangrabani Phezor Jila gi manung chanba headmaster headmistress mayam gi damak January tang 32 da upper diwas thoram pangthoi numit asida satrasati mayam gi damak permanent education number pen sem sanabagi workshop pangthoi aduga upper ID ga udais data Aadhaar card student mayam gi damak simbinaba akhang hai mayam na ngangnakhi January tang 3 numit ta Churachandpur DC na Road Safety Month 2025 campaign aduga two-wheeler rally flag off tobi DC na miyambu traffic rules ga gari accident avoid to na ba miyam dasu appeal towi